Okay, let's hop right into the video. Hopefully I can do this. I feel like I haven't recorded a video in forever, and I think I only took 1 week off for my birthday. I'm not gonna rant too much, because for what? I'm just gonna get right into it. I got this Profusion Cosmetics Define Brows Professional Brow Kit for my birthday. It was one of my birthday presents, and I'm gonna try and attempt to do my brows with just this kit now. Normally I do my brows with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and Ebony, and my Tarte Shape Tape Busy Gal Brows Brow Gel and Dark Brown, I think it is. I'm trying to learn different ways to do my brows, so it's not, oh, this is the only way I can do my brows, you know? So, thank God I got this for my birthday, and it doesn't have plastic on it, because I started to do my brows the other morning with this, and I was like, you know what? This could be a video, so I'm gonna wait on this. And, yeah, that's what I did. So let me show you what the kit has in it. It comes with a set of tweezers, eyebrow wax pencil. Let me check that out. It looks like this. It comes with a soft brown eyebrow pencil and a butterfingers. A soft brown eyebrow pencil, and this looks like a dark brown eyebrow pencil, but it doesn't have anything on it, no writing on it. Then it comes with a angle brush and a spoolie, and it also comes with some stencils. So you have slight high arch, medium arch, petite arch, and high arch from what I see looking through these. So those are fun if you don't know how to shape your brows, but you guys excuse my hair too, because I'm not gonna do my hair now and then do it again for another video, for the other video I'm going to do today. So looking a little rough right now, but just focus up here, just focus on me. And then it comes with some highlight powder, blonde, and you'll use this at the front, this at the back, medium brown, this at the front, this at the back, chocolate brown, which is probably going to be my color, chocolate brown, this at the front, this at the back, and ash brown, this at the front, this at the back. I mean, you don't have to, but you could use one color on the whole brow if you want, but that's probably how I'm gonna do it, because I like the gradient effect. I like when it fades from light to dark. So enough talking about it, let's be about it. So it also comes with instructions on the back. Brush through with the spoolie, use the tweezers to remove any stray hairs. Basically what I'm actually gonna do, set the brows in place with brow wax, apply brow powder with the angle brush, use the stencil if needed, and use an eyebrow pencil to intensify any areas of the brows. So yeah, that's basically what I do. Anyway, when I want like really bold brows, I take I put the Busy Gal brows on first, the brow gel, to set everything in place. Then I tweeze to groom, and then I put the dip brow, no, then I draw on with a pencil, like just rough draft, if you will, with a pencil. And then I use my pomade on the end and very light in the beginning. And if I really want to intensify it, I put black eyeshadow on the outside. But we're not doing all that today. We're just gonna use this kit, solely this kit, and yeah, see how everything goes. So first things first, what I like to do is take a spoolie, brush up. Well, make sure you don't have hairs in the way too, you guys, because that will interfere with the process. So brush up and then brush across like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Then you can take a wax stick or brow gel, but we're gonna use the Profusion eyebrow wax pencil. Ooh, this is real waxy. I like it, and it's you can resharpen it. Okay, then we're gonna take some tweezers. We're gonna take the tweezers that came in the kit. I like these. These are gold, and they say Profusion on them. I feel regal. Take my tweezers and tweeze any stray hairs I may have down here. You guys just tweeze the stray hairs. Don't overpluck. Please don't overpluck. Don't overpluck. Don't over tweeze. Okay, so we're back. I went ahead and did my hair off camera because it's getting late and I still want to try to record 2 more videos. So we did the wax stick before DJ came pretend like he had to use the bathroom. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this chocolate brown, the darker shade, and I'm picking it up with this angled brush. I'm just gonna take a napkin I got over here and clean off that darker shade. And we're looking like this right now. It looks pretty good. Don't mind this. I ripped the paper for my edges, but either I'm gonna look late or play one way or the other. You'll see it in the next video. Then I'm gonna take this lighter brown shade and focus that on the front of my brow. Then I'm gonna take a spoolie and brush that front out just a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. These are definitely gonna be more natural looking brows, and I guess that's okay because we have a colorful look today, so I don't need the powders anymore. I think I'm good on the powders. I'm gonna take this No Name pencil. Then I'm gonna take this soft brown pencil and use that on the front of my brow. Now here comes the challenging part, because I mean, these look decent for now. Definitely not my everyday brows, but I mean, for the sake of the video and the brow kit, they look pretty good. So now I'm gonna take, brush that out a little bit more. Brush down, Tatiana, brush down. I'm actually gonna pick, and you could have used the stencils. That's why these are handy if you aren't so good at shaping your brows naturally. I kind of know what works for me, so I didn't feel like I needed them. So now I'm gonna take this highlight. I'm letting y'all know right now, if I don't like how this looks, I'm taking it off. I mean, it doesn't look that great, like if I were to do my normal brows, but it doesn't look that bad either, so I'm gonna keep it. But I'm making my mind up, I'm keeping my baby. Ooh, I'm gonna keep my baby. How about I don't preach? Come on, Shady Boots. That'll do. That'll do, boys. That'll do. Okay, so final thoughts on this brow kit. It works. I feel like I got some pretty decent brows out of it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 7. Let me stop. I'll give it a 7.5, 8. Definitely worth. I think this retails for $10, so definitely worth everything you got in here. Sometimes tweezers sell by themselves for $10. Good, the good one. Brushes with spoolies. All these products combined for $10 retail is pretty good. I don't know how much the person paid for it because it was a birthday gift, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some different kind of brows. I figured why not use this brow kit and show you guys some nice brows. So that's it for today's look. As far as brows go, I do have a follow-up video that I'll be putting somewhere over here, of a colorful makeup look that I'm about to do, but I wanted to make that a separate video because I don't want to make the video too lengthy. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.